Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design a clean and modern dashboard UI in Figma. Whether you're working on a new project or just improving your design skills, this guide will help you get started fast. First, head over to the Templates and Tools section in Figma. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, using a template is a great time saver and gives you a strong foundation to build on. In the search bar, type Dashboard UI. You'll see lots of different styles: minimal, colorful, data-heavy, and more. Browse through a few previews and pick the one that matches the vibe you're going for. Once you find a template you like, open it in Figma. It will load as a new file, so it's easy to work without messing up anything else. Zoom in, explore the components, and see how everything is structured. Now comes the fun part, customizing it. Change the color scheme to match your brand, update the fonts, or swap out icons and data. Rearrange cards, charts, or sidebars to create a layout that fits your style. Even small tweaks can completely transform the dashboard's look. If you want to go further, add your own widgets like notifications, stats, or custom illustrations. Everything in Figma is editable, so feel free to adjust spacing, alignment, and size until the whole layout feels clean and balanced. And remember, design is all about experimentation. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get everything just right. That's it. You now know how to kickstart a dashboard UI in Figma using templates and make it uniquely yours. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Figma tips. See you in the next video.